Welcome back to Walnut Springs. As you guys know, over this last year, I have done a ton of building out here on my backyard trail. The biggest thing that I built was the drop-in. There it is right there. That's the start of so many features that have been added to my trail system. Well, it's a new year and it's time to continue on with the drop-in. So let's get started on the next build that I'm calling Kick and Flow. Let's do it. That was Mike from late 2021, thinking that I was going to have this project done for the beginning of 2022 and start the year off right. Boy, was I wrong. This project has gone on for a very long time, but I'm very thankful that it has. We had some really bad weather, got really cold, rainy, and snowy, so I put this off for several months. Wood prices, of course, skyrocketed again, and that held me off from completing the project altogether. But it gave me time to look at it and really study and see what needed to be done. And this feature was just not going to work the way that it was. So I started looking at it and I decided I need to make some changes. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So the plan's simple. I'm gonna cut off the wooden landing. I still want this to be kick and flow, so I am gonna have a big kicker in front of this kind of wooden curved landing that resembles a wave. So let's go ahead and let's tear this thing apart and get this wave landing feature finished so we can start on the kicker. Now for this kicker, I wanted it to be a nice, easy radius, so I chose somewhere around 11 or 12 feet for the radius. Not each board is absolutely perfect, but what is perfect around here at Walnut Springs? I don't know. All I know is all the features are fun to ride. So let's go ahead and let's get this kicker assembled, and we're gonna make it into something unique, a little arrow. Let's get to it. If you've made it this far in this video, you might as well subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I've got a lot of other builds that I've done. You might want to check those out if you're new to the channel. All right, before we hit the new Kick and Flow feature, I want to thank today's sponsor, InBike. InBike sent me a couple of different items to try out. They are a biking apparel company and they produce biking apparel at a low cost. I got sent a pair of gloves, a jersey, and a waterproof jacket. And so far, I love them all. But my favorite thing are these gloves. They're inexpensive, they fit really well, and they're really comfortable. Now, if you guys are looking for some inexpensive biking apparel that is comfortable and durable, go check out InBike. I'll put some links in the description below. And again, I want to thank InBike for sponsoring this video. Now, let's go hit up Kick and Flow.